Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Before I begin, I do want you to notice that even though you can barely see my logo, I am sporting my NickFest t-shirt today. It's Friday, it is NickFest Day, and I'm looking forward to taking part in it. So, one of the things that we hear about often these days is about just how divisive the country is, that it seems like we just can't have a civil conversation anymore about politics and sometimes even about religion. That uh, that sometimes people can't agree not only about certain principles, there are times when we can't even agree about the facts of a certain situation. And that divisiveness can be really debilitating both to our political system and to our Christian communities, um, because when there is this kind of divisiveness, we can't move forward in politics. We can't arrive at that consensus that allows us to do what is best for the country, our state, our cities. And in religion, that divisiveness prevents us from being the kind of community that Christ calls us to be. But I'm not going to be addressing this week the divisiveness within our country over our politics or our religion. I think there are times that there is divisiveness even within our own parishes and our own families. And for the rest of this week, I want to talk about some very practical, concrete ways that we as Catholic Christians can work to overcome that divisiveness. These are things that can help us to be both better Christians, better Catholics, and can help us, I think, to be better persons. So I hope you will stay tuned for the rest of this week for the morning message. And I thank you very much for watching today.